Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use check-in feature in iMessage. The check-in feature lets you automatically notify a friend or family member when you arrive at a destination safely. First of all, you need to open the Messages app and you can start opening a conversation with the person you want to share your check-in. And after that, in the bottom left, there's this plus icon next to the message field and you can select to this plus icon there. And here you need to scroll a bit down the check-in, and after that, once you select your check-in, you can choose whether you want to be notified upon arriving at the destination or after a specific amount of time. You can review the details, and after that you can tap send, and once active, your iPhone will monitor your progress. If you arrive safely, the recipient will be notified automatically. If you do not arrive as expected and fail to respond to prompts, your iPhone can share limited information such as your location, battery level, and signal status with the recipient. That's it. That's how to use a check-in feature in iMessage on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.